Hello, y'all. This is Nonya with the Mobile Life, and today we're talking about how to make your business and make everything work together in synchrony. And this is tied in with, actually, I'm talking specifically about BookingKoala and the benefits of using BookingKoala. Okay, so BookingKoala is a software that basically helps you to be able to run your business more effectively. Okay, and regardless of the industry that you're in, whether and actually what it is that it is a service-based software. Okay, it's a service-based software that helps you to run your business, whether you have a moving business, a cleaning business. It was actually specifically created by the people in the cleaning industry because there was a lot of things that were lacking in other software that they realized that there was something else that needed to be created. BookingKoala was founded by the CEO and co-founder, and his name is Philip Boaksa. Okay, Philip Boaksa. And BookingKoala is now a home to thousands of entrepreneurs worldwide. Okay. He first grew his first business, King of Maids, to over 5 million by the age of 22 with only $6,000. Guys, so if you think that you need a whole lot of money in order to make your business successful, no, you just need the right ideas, and also with no funding, no outside funding. Okay, so this was all from basically his own money that he saved together. Okay, so there's a lot of businesses that have become 6 figures and above using BookingKoala, and I just recently started my middleman business. I'm going to be sharing more about that business. I took a course, and I am now using it to basically run my business. The business I have now, I started with. So basically, I'm using the growing plan, and with the growing plan, you pay $57 a month, and this allows you to have up to 15 at this time. Okay, things might change as time goes on, but at this time, 15 providers, and providers are service providers. Okay, not employees. Okay, but these are people that are running their own businesses that are partnering with my company. Okay, so I just wanted to share more about services that other service industries that BookingKoala can possibly, or industries that BookingKoala can be great for. And these are, I mentioned home cleaning, I mentioned moving industry, which is the one I'm starting with. Something like car washing, mobile car washing, or detailing. If you see me looking this way, I'm looking at my computer. Okay. Mobile pet grooming. Okay, so those people that are going to people's houses or businesses to groom their pets. Dry cleaning, pickup and delivery, pet sitting, dog walking, things like that. Personal chef. Okay, so these are all businesses that, and there's definitely more. There's a whole lot more. Animal waste removal business, power washing, like pressure washing, things like that. Let's see, mobile tech repair, private drivers, catering, valet, real estate, photographer, event planner, okay, and so much more. Okay, so why I'm so enthusiastic and I'm so excited about this model is because you don't have to know much. Okay, I started out with BookingKoala not knowing anything at all, and the thing that is so great about BookingKoala is that there's so much to learn, but everything is basically at your fingertips, and there's help. Okay, there's support. There's a help center on the site that you can go to and get a lot of your questions answered, and even if you still have questions. Like I still had questions about like attaching a terms and condition form to like to a job before before the providers on my team accept the job. And I was able to send an email. Okay, so I'm still waiting for a reply. But they also have a 24/7. I mean, they also have a customer service number that you can reach out to that can be able to answer some of your questions. There are certain times that it's available and not available. I believe that it's not available on Saturdays and Sundays, but like I think weekdays like 9 to 4 it's available. But yeah, so it's really innovative. They have a starter plan for $27. I think it's like with 5 providers. The growing plan is $57 for 15 providers, and then I think the higher plan is for $199 per month for up to 50 providers. Okay, so and obviously it's gonna be more tools for people. So whether you're a coach, music teacher, sports, and into sports, or whatever you're into, pool cleaning, you can definitely use BookingKoala. It's great. I mean, it's great for you to basically run your business, and if you have employees as well, it's great as well. They're just certain apps that you just have to connect to make like payroll run more effectively. But for mine, I don't pay my providers. The customer pays me. I take my commission, and then I send the I have them pay the providers to perform the services when I'm done. So basically, I just wanted to just give like a brief overview of some of the benefits of BookingKoala. It just really allows you to run your business more effectively by giving you the opportunity, giving you the or helping you to just basically just post your job on the calendar, and whoever's available can just go ahead and take it, among your providers. So it's something that I'm still learning a lot about. I'm still really relatively new. As a matter of fact, I'm still doing my trial, but I just said I would just talk more about this because it's something that, regardless of whether you're an online marketer or whatever it is that you're doing, I'm sure a hair braider, you can definitely implement this if you're looking to expand your business and you're looking to automate, which actually is really the key. You're able to automate your business, and because a lot of times I believe that we kind of limit ourselves because we say, oh, $57 a month, oh, that's a lot, or even $199 a month, that's a lot. But think about it, okay? Because you all know that I do a lot of things. I'm a mobile braider. I run a mobile delivery business, like with apps such as Roadie, Deliver That for like catering and things like that. And I'm always using gas, okay? I have to like buy gas like every day or at least every other day. And I think about it like, okay, I'm buying like half a tank for $40. And if I want a full tank, that's $80 for one day, okay? So it's like, what am I willing to pay? So the question is, what am I willing to pay in order to run my business, okay? In order to make that money, okay? And you know that when your business is automated, it's going to be easier for you to make that money, because things that you don't have to worry about doing, like collecting payments, okay? You can collect a payment from a client, a customer, right? And their payment is saved on file, until the payment method is changed, right? You don't have to worry about, anything else. Everything is seamless, right? Your customer wants a quote, you give them that quote, like for my industry right now is the movie industry. I give them that quote and say, okay, well, in order to lock this in, you have to put a deposit in, and they put a deposit, right? I can take the payment on my Stripe account, right? And it sinks in right in. So Stripe, what is it? Square, and another one syncs right in as a payment gateway to BookingKoala, and it makes everything just work in synchrony. Okay, so I'm still learning a lot. I'm still putting things together. As a matter of fact, I just added my providers. I'll be looking to expand my providers to at least 10 to make everything you know, more effective. But I just wanted to put it out just to let you know that if you are in a service industry and you're looking for a way to automate your business, so you're not having to call to reconfirm appointments and things like that, BookingKoala is great because it sends automated emails, like I said, to your providers. Once they accept the job, they can create their own account on the app. So they have BookingKoala for providers, which are the people that are partnering with you, or for your employees, depending on your business model, right? And it allows them to also be able to create their account and do certain things on their account depending on what permissions you allow them to do. Okay, so it really automates the process, and it makes everything easier. I'm still learning a whole lot about it, but I thought just even in this beginning stages I could share something, and there's always help. You can always look in this help center, or you can go on YouTube, to get some of your questions answered. Okay, I'm going to leave a link in the description for anyone that is interested in trying it out. Okay, they have a 14-day trial, and after that, you pay, and you do, and even between that, during that trial period, you can switch between plans to see whatever one works for you. A lot of people, when they start the business or whatever, they might not have a lot of money. You might want the starter plan. I'm doing like the medium plan, which is a growing plan, with the 15 providers for 57, which to me is great, because it's just like, to me, it's just like buying gas for your car, so you can be able to make money with delivery. So I don't see anything bad, but it just all depends on your budget. See what it works, or how it works for you, or what you like. But to me, the biggest advantage and benefit of BookingKoala is that it is very cost effective. BookingKoala is very cost effective. Okay, it's very affordable. Okay, so this again is Nonya with the mobile life. I just wanted to put out this video to let you know about the benefits of BookingKoala, and if it's something that you're interested in, I have a link in the description. Go ahead and try it out and see if it's something that will work for you, especially if you have a service-related business and you can get started. Okay, please like the video, subscribe, share, and till next time, peace.